snow cones with snow and a happy new year. So since it snowed for the first time in 2024, we're going to be making snow cones with the snow. So my sister over here is going to tell you the flavors of all of our syrups.
This one is cherry, goofy grape, sunshine orange, blue raspberry, cherry, loony lemon lime,
Boppin'
blueberry, and strawberry festival.
So we also have all of the snow cones and the straws and spoons just in case it gets drippy or too messy. So we're gonna come back in a few minutes. We're gonna fill up the cones. Now we're back. We got all the ice in it. And so now all the snow, it is kind of super hard now because we kind of like put it all together in here. And now we're gonna choose our flavors and drip it in here. So what flavors do you want?
I want this flavor.
Okay.
I want this one.
Okay.
I want this one.
Okay.
And
You can choose 2 flavors.
this one.
Okay. They 2 are the same thing. So I need you to hold my cone and I'm gonna drip it for you. So we're gonna open it up and turn around. Okay, we're gonna open up and we're gonna drip some in. And it's gonna make like a little cool tie-dye effect. And now we're gonna put in some purple. Gotta be super careful. Make sure it seeps all the way through down. Because there's like a lot of ice in there. So maybe you can choose one last color. What color do you want?
Okay.
What color do you want?
I like.
Okay, we're gonna give you this color.
No.
What color do you want? Choose fast.
This one, cherry.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna give her the cherry one. So she can now eat her thing and tell me
I want this one.
tell me how it tastes.
Wait, can I have this one?
Yeah, sure. Tell me how it tastes. It's a bit hard. Do you like the taste of it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Tell them how you like it. Tell them how you like it.
It's really good.
Okay. Tell them how you like it.
It's really good.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do mine. So I'm gonna try the orange one. Just pour it in.
That's a sponge.
And then I'm also gonna try the blue one. So excited to try it.
It's really cold too.
This is gonna be so fun.
And it's really cold.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try it. The blue one is really so good. Let me try orange side.
I got you something that has 3 flavors.
I don't really want to. They both are so good. I really recommend you to try this at home. And if you don't have the syrup, it's okay. You could just eat the plain ice, or you could make some color with some sugar or something. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.